Joining NMIMS has been the first step in a journey that I'm going to cherish for a lifetime. Here, I've learned a lot of things like strategic thinking, better communication and presentation skills. I've also learned time management skills here. This has all added to my kitty, and these learnings are something that I'm going to carry overall throughout my lifetime. At NMIMS, we are taught by industry leaders. These are people who are CXO and director level people who have great and rich industry experience. These experiences do add up to our learning, and these insights that we get from these experts are invaluable. These insights will help us grow and take better decisions going in future. And this is what is great about NMIMS. We have various faculties that are coming in NMIMS from various top companies like Google, Microsoft and Capgemini. These people take different industry sessions, different guest lectures and regular lectures as well. The insights that we get from the faculty are invaluable, and they are going to add value to us in the longer run. The placement scenario at NMIMS has been a great one. We have different roles coming in from different industries and across various specializations. This gives us the opportunity to land the perfect dream job that we want. For me, the perfect role has been a techno-functional role wherein I wanted to apply my management skills in a technical role. This was realized when I got my summer internship opportunity at IBM. I am a computer science engineer who has been working as an Oracle application developer before joining my MBA. After joining MBA, I've been working on a lot of case studies and real-world business solutions that we are exposed to in our curriculum, and also there are various competitions and case study challenges that are rolled out every now and then in our campus. Some of them that I participated in are Google case study and Marico over the wall challenge. In Google case study, we had to give a solution for smart homes, and in Marico, we had to come up with a new product strategy, which was an enriching and learning experience. The facilities at NMIMS are no less than an international school. We are given the world-level classrooms and infrastructure in our campus. Added to that, we have a world-class library and a Bloomberg library that has 12 Bloomberg terminals. These all facilities and infrastructural innovations give us the perfect roadmap to learn and get the most out of our MBA journey. Faculty as well here is supportive as well as passionate about upskilling all the students that come in NMIMS. The support that we get from faculty both inside as well as outside the classroom is immense and much appreciated.